Advancements across numerous sectors demand updates to equipment varieties. These updates have produced superior and more durable units. Welcome back to Machines Visit.in. Today's episode, we'll explore the strongest equipment running every day that you're sure to enjoy watching. Chio Crane SPX 532. The Chio Crane SPX 532 boasts impressive capabilities. Its outriggers feature dual joints and 5 adjustable settings. The hydraulic jib offers 3 locking angles. Its tracks can extend at a 45 degrees angle. Beyond hardware, the SPX 532 shines with smart technology. It includes an automatic power mode that adjusts speed, peak output, and engine response based on the load being lifted. Chio simplified remote diagnostics by adding the J connection feature. This live link lets operators view a full crane status dashboard. An electric motor option also allows emission-free indoor operation. Liebherr LTM 1658. The Liebherr LTM 1658 is a massive unit. This 8-axle crane lifts up to 700 tons. It offers multiple configurations for quick, easy site access. Expectations were sky high at launch. It replaces the iconic LTM 1500 to 8.1, the top-selling big crane of all time. Yet it doesn't just match the old model, it surpasses it by 15 to 50%. Plus, the LTM 1658 cuts fuel use and noise with refined drivetrain tuning. TigerCat LX830D. Next up is the TigerCat LX830D. This high-output compact leveling feller buncher is built for steep ground. Its closed-loop track drive boosts speed, power, and control on slopes. The frame delivers rock-steady balance, keeping operators comfortable on sharp inclines. A TigerCat FPT Tier 4F engine, strong horsepower, and optimized hydraulics drive top performance. Boom technology further improves output, fuel savings, operator comfort, and daily production. Cat D11 Dozer. You've seen dozers before, but nothing like this. Meet the Cat D11 Dozer. Built for higher output at lower expense. New tech moves more dirt faster and up to 6% cheaper. It's also fuel stingy and lasts longer than rivals. Ease of control matters in heavy iron. The D11 gives operators total command for safe, efficient work via a new cab with high-res touchscreens. CAT added a proven fire suppression system to cut accident risk. An upgraded cooling package sheds heat quickly and cleans itself faster. Senebogen 870 port crane. Another standout is the Senebogen 870 port crane. It delivers outstanding handling and a 24-meter max reach. A height-adjustable skylift C-cab rises 10 meters up and 7 meters forward. This keeps the operator's view clear into ship holds during loading, boosting safety. The 870's energy recovery system is equally clever. Despite a 261 kilowatts diesel, efficiency is a priority. Lowering the boom displaces oil. The energy is captured in 4 rear nitrogen tanks and reused on the next lift. Result: up to 30% lower running costs. Hitachi EX8006. The Hitachi EX8006 is a giant excavator. It includes a boom, stick, bucket, and cab on a rotating upper structure called the house. Diesel-powered, it digs earth at job sites. It's the biggest excavator we covered. A tough box frame and cast track base form the exterior. Key specs: heavy-duty lower rollers, track links, drive tumblers, and a 13,800 mm max dig depth. Service-friendly design supports round-the-clock use and maximum uptime. Bucyrus walking dragline in mining and large-scale engineering. The Bucyrus walking dragline rules. This rugged giant uses cables to swing a bucket on 2 ropes. Bucket sizes range from 76 to 6 cubic meters. Operating weight runs 5.8 to 7.5 million kilograms. Big version strip mine coal, Smaller units handle road building or civil projects. Liebherr LH150. Finally, for material handling, meet the Liebherr LH150 Portlatronic, built for scrap and bulk cargo in ports. Plenty of handlers exist, but the LH150 stands apart. Its upgraded, taller boom delivers extreme lift capacity and reach. Operators get peak performance at the lowest cost per ton moved. The LH150 also has a modular structure of the basic machine and equipment, which means it can offer optimum solutions for all deployment situations. Liebherr also made this machine better as they combine the power of high technological equipment to the individual adaptation of the machine to the respective requirements. This guarantees that maximum material handling performance is reached while maintaining its efficiency in terms of time and money. Harco Rail. The new track construction from Harco Rail is also included on this list. Harco Rail has created this new rail track system that can lay around 1.5 kilometers of track per day. This is also versatile in terms of the materials it can handle, since it can work with concrete, pre-plated wood, or steel ties while not requiring any overhead crane to control the flow. To further enhance efficiency and effectiveness, the spacing can also be predetermined so that it can run through day and night with lesser supervision. Gazer. Speaking of rail track laying, a much faster way of doing it is through the use of Gazer track layer. This follows a completely new method of laying rail track which includes the use of limbs and PMs. The track will first be transported by the limbs of the moving trolleys. The limbs are capable of keeping the load at the same level even when it is moving up and down different tracks. This is also controlled by only one person. On the other hand, the PM gantries are the upper part of the system. If the limbs transport the tracks, the PMs lay down the tracks slowly so that perfect positioning is achieved. Using 16 PM gantries and 14 LIM trolleys, this whole process can lay down a 150 m stretch in just 16 hours. Volvo PL 4809E pipelayer. Up next is the Volvo PL 4809E pipelayer. It is a rotating pipelayer famous for bringing lifting performance to new and greater heights. With its intelligent design, high-tech features, and solid stability, the PL 4809E remains as one of the most productive and versatile machines that promises maximum uptime and return on investment. It isn't only capable of doing what traditional side booms do but also has infinite placement possibilities. It has its unique 360 degrees swing capacity, completed with the stability to work safely up to a 35 degrees slope. The Volvo pipelayers can also handle large and heavy pipes with ease thanks to its superior capacities, unique design, and 102-ton tipping capacity. This is also an RPS safety certified cab already, so operators are sure that it can provide ergonomically positioned controls and excellent vibration and noise insulation. The hydraulic cab riser system also offers excellent visibility both into the trench and around the work site. Its controls are based on the excavator cab layout, meaning you can pick from a large pool of operators. Aside from that, the PL 4809E is also able to take on many applications with only one machine since it has 360 degrees swing, including loading, offloading, tying, and feeding pipe bending machines. This helps avoid moving the tracks and damaging the ground, as well as increase safety on the job. Volvo EC460C High Reach. This next one is still from Volvo, but it's from its excavator line. This is the EC460C High Reach, which was built to ensure maximum safety in all demolition applications. Falling debris is something common among demolition jobs. That's why a machine with a sturdy frame and ultimate protection is much appreciated. In the case of the EC460C High Reach, it can provide both of these things while also giving a wider and clearer view of the job site. This does not only increase productivity, but also enhances safety. We've already come to the last item on the list. That's all for the examples of super machines used in huge construction projects. Did you enjoy watching? If so, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. We would also be glad to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Till next time, thank you for watching.